Microorganism and viruses. Microorganisms and viruses are also called microbes. They cannot be seen with our naked eyes and they can be seen only under a powerful microscope. Since they are called under a microscope, they are also called microbes. एग्जाम्पल है आपका बैक्टीरिया, फंगी, प्रोटोजोआ एंड सम टाइप ऑफ एल्गी. Viruses are not considered as animal. They are link between living and non-living. Actually, in the atmosphere of today, it is not essential to explain you about the viruses because the whole world, the people living on a global level, everybody knows about the viruses. The coronavirus has made everyone too familiar about the viruses. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. We are going to first study about bacteria because I know that everybody knows about the viruses. Corona and Hanta, who has born sick, has come on the earth to destroy evil. Be safe by keeping yourself indoors. That's all. Now go through bacteria and your syllabus. A study of bacteria is called bacteriology. A study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Father of bacteriology is Robert Koch. Bacteria is a unicellular prokaryotic organism. Prokaryotic means primitive type of cells. Bacteria do not have two nucleus. Instead of nucleus, it has nuclear material without nuclear membrane embedded in the cytoplasm. Bacteria is unicellular prokaryotic cell. It is believed that the first organism that appeared on the earth was bacteria. It is ubiquitous, means they are found everywhere on the earth. Ubiquitous, they are found everywhere on the earth. Whether hot desert, Iceland, sea, bottom of the sea, even in the inside the body of a living thing. Again, next point, it has cyst. Cyst means, suppose this is bacteria cell, it has a covering around it. This is cyst. Cyst. This cyst protect bacteria from external dangers such as chemicals like acid and some other physical conditions which is dangerous like heat, temperature, heat, cold, etc. Reproduction of bacteria. Next point, reproduction in bacteria. Asexual binary fission. Binary fission means one bacteria cell divide into two daughter bacteria. One mother bacteria divides into two daughter bacteria. Next, shape of bacteria. Shape and design of the body of bacteria. It is not fixed, and we will study in next class about the shape and design of the bacteria.